How to edit text in Figma. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Figma, and I'm going to teach you how you can edit your text. Now first thing we're going to do is of course add the text first. Going to drag it into our canvas over here, and you're going to type whatever you would like to type, just like that. And to be able to edit your text, once again, you're simply going to click on your specific text, double click it, and you would be able to edit your text once again. You could also click over here under the design, and you would be able to edit the components and properties of your text. For example, you could edit the font over here by clicking this button over here on the right side. You would be able to change the font to whatever font style that you choose. As you can see, it's changing accordingly. You could also edit your style over here from regular to italic. You could change the line height, the line spacing, paragraph spacing, and all of these options over here. You could also change the font color over here on this side. And you could also add stroke, effects, and you could export this text over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.